What's up, everyone? This is Thomas Thani from the Driver's Apex. I'm coming to you from Canggu in Bali, and today we are leaving. So we're on our way to Malaysia, which means we're about 2 weeks away from getting back to the States. So this is kind of the reason. Look at her back there. She's not walking in the street this time. The wheels. I know everyone wants to know what's up with the wheels. I got an update on the wheels. They are assembled. However, the shop put them back together and never polished the lips. So I've requested that they take them apart, repolish them. Now here's the question for everyone. I've had these bolts in and out on these wheels. They've probably done them like 4 or 5 times. Now the question is, are these bolts reusable, right? I see a lot of stuff online that says yes, you can reuse them. Some say don't. I don't know what's up. I hope they've been torquing them correctly, hopefully not using an impact, anything like that. I did find some bolts overseas that are brand new that are BBS bolts. So I sent that to the shop saying, look, I think we probably should install new bolts, but I'm not sure what you guys think. So that's the update. I'll post a picture up here that shows what they look like right now. But as it is, they are assembled. However, they are not properly polished. And that pisses me off a little bit. So I hope or I expect that these wheels will be finished when I get home. Now, if we're getting bolts from overseas, that might complicate things. But we're at 10 months, guys. They've had these wheels for over 5 months. We're talking close to 6 months, something like that. So I just wanted to make a quick video, let everybody know where we're at with the wheels. They are done, but they're not done, because it makes no sense to me to not polish the lips and put them back together when I requested that they polish the lips. It's so frustrating. So I'll post a photo, like I said, just to show you what's up. And then from there, when I get home, hopefully we're mounting these BBS RM, ceramic coating them, and then creating E30 content. So we've got some E30 content planned, and then I got a bunch of E46 M3 content planned as well. So just an update, guys. If you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed and you like this kind of stuff, car videos, reviews, ride-alongs, stuff like that, hit that subscribe button. Any questions, drop them in the comment section. And always, guys, thanks for watching.